11th problem. Let A comma B comma C be non-coplanar vectors. Non-coplanar means its volume is not equal to 0. A, B, C in the volume interval is not equal to 0 means we can say that A, B and C are non-coplanar. If the determinant of these three vectors equal to 0, coplanar. If not equal to 0, non-coplanar or non-coplanar. If the volume of these three vectors equal to lambda into A plus B, then find the value of lambda. What they have given? Given relation is 2A minus B plus 3C, comma, A plus B minus 2C, comma, A plus B minus 3C is equal to lambda into ABC volume. That is, we can write the determinant form A, B, C is equal to lambda into A, B, C. Here, write the coefficients of A, B, C, 2, minus 1, 3, 1, 1, minus 2, 1, 1, minus 3. Find out the determinant. 2 into minus 3 plus 2 plus 1 into minus 3 plus 2 plus 3 into 1 minus 1 into A, B, C is equal to lambda into A, B, C. Both sides ABC get cancelled. Why? Because those volume is not equal to 0 and ABC are non-coplanar. First we can simplify it. 2 into minus 1 plus 1 into minus 1 plus 3 into 0 to ABC is equal to lambda into ABC. It is minus 2 minus 1 is equal to lambda. Since ABC is not equal to 0. The not equal to 0 value is same in the right and left side. So lambda is equal to minus 3. This is the answer. 12th problem, it is similar to 11th one only. Let A comma B and C be non-coplanar. Non-coplanar means immediately we have an idea and we can, the condition of volume of ABC is not equal to 0, then we can say that A, B and C are non-coplanar. Then we can take the A plus 2B, 2B plus C, 5C plus A is equal to lambda into ABC. Then find the lambda means write the determinant ABC equal to lambda into ABC. Here, this is the coefficient 1, 2, 0, 0, 2, 1, 1, 0, 5. Find out the determinant, you are getting the lambda value. It is similar to previous problem, 11th one. You have to do this is as homework. Okay. The next problem is 13th one. Is it okay?
Okay.
Chandu?
Okay.
Okay. 13th one. If A comma B comma C are non-coplanar vectors, then find the value of A plus 2B minus C dot A minus B cross of A minus B minus C by volume of ABC. Here, just again the same relation. ABC are non-coplanar means if A, B and C are non-coplanar. If three vectors are non-coplanar means if and only if volume of ABC is not equal to 0. Then find the value of this means A cross of B cross of A minus B minus C is equal to, find out the determinant A, B, C. Cross product of the two vectors 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 minus 1. It is equal to A into minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 minus 0 minus B into minus 1 minus 0 plus C into minus 1 minus into minus plus 1. It is equal to A plus B plus 0. So it is A plus B. Here A plus 2B minus C dot A plus B. It is equal to A dot A is equal to 1, B dot B equal to 1, that is plus 2. Since A dot A equal to B dot B equal to C dot C equal to 1, A dot B equal to B dot C equal to C dot A equal to 0. So here A dot A is 1 into 1 is 1 plus 2B dot B is plus 2, C is 0, so it is equal to 3. From this, here it is the determinant. Determinant means here we have the relation integral of ABC. For all this, we can take it as ABC integral. That is volume of ABC. So here also volume of ABC. This is volume of ABC. This is, we can take it as volume of ABC. So taking LHS, LHS is equal to A plus 2B minus C dot A minus B cross of A minus B minus C is equal by volume of ABC is equal to, this is 3 volume of ABC by volume of ABC, both are get cancelled, we are getting the 3. Why? Because volume of ABC is not equal to 0, since ABC are non-coplanar. When we can take the cross product of the two vectors which is not IJK, if it is ABC, means we can take the determinant with the volume of ABC. Okay, you didn't forget this one. It is 13th one.
ఇప్పుడు సమ్ అర్థమైందండి. ఇప్పుడు
Okay.
వాల్యూమ్ ఏబిసి ఎందుకు తీసుకోరు ఒకసారి చెప్పండి.
Yes, exactly. Here ABC are non-coplanar. These ABC are the vectors. It's not unit vectors along the XYZ axis. When we can take IJK vectors, then we cannot take this IJK in the volume. Why? Because those are unit vectors along the axis. But here it's a position vectors, ABC or the position vectors. So we have the relation ABC are non-coplanar, means this is, we have the relation. But here A minus B, we can write it as 1 into A minus 1 into B. So in the place of IJK, AB are there, but AB are not unit vectors. These are the vectors only. The difference of the unit vectors and vectors. If these are the unit vectors, we won't write the determinant after volume ABC. If these are didn't mention the ABC or the unit vectors, these are the non-coplanar vectors. That is, 3 are not in the same place. So position vectors. In such case, we take the ABC. Okay.
ఓకే అండి.
If they have given in IJK, they didn't mention IJK or non-coplanar. Why? Because we know that IJK are the unit vectors along the 3 axes, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z never in the same plane. It's fine. And unit vectors means its volume is 1. Okay? But this volume is not 1. It's not equal, non-coplanar. So we can take it as. That's why only I am mentioning here, you won't forget ABC after the determinant.
డిటర్మినెంట్ పక్కన. ఓకే.
14th problem. If A comma B comma C are mutually perpendicular. Unit vectors. Then find the value of integral ABC whole square. The same thing what I explained in the previous. I, J, K are the unit vectors along the axis X, Y, Z. We know that X, Y, Z, three axes are mutually perpendicular and I, J are the unit position vectors along the axis. So its volume is 1, so that we cannot take the determinant of ijk expression of the vectors. It's determinant directly, we are taking the coefficients of the values in the determinant. But when we can take these ABC are non-coplanar vectors, then immediately we can, when we have to find out the volume of three vectors, immediately we write in the coefficients in the determinant and side volume of ABC. That is the thing. Here, what they are asking, if ABC are mutually perpendicular unit vectors, just like IJK, then we can find out the value of ABC whole square. Here, A, B, and C are mutually perpendicular. Unit vectors. Mutually perpendicular unit vectors means just like what we know. I am giving the idea. I, J, K are the mutually perpendicular, but we know that I cross J equal to K, J cross K equal to I, K cross I is equal to J. When the order is changed, the signs will change. Here, in the case 1, here two cases are there. One is right hand system, another one is left hand system. The same thing, what we can take it as. Here, A, B, and C form a right hand system. Then B cross C is equal to A. In the integral of ABC, we can write it as A dot of B cross C. Here, B cross C equal to A only. A dot of A, this is equal to 1. So squaring on both sides, ABC volume square is equal to 1 square. This is 1. When it is right hand system. The right hand system means we can take it as order. I, J, K, I, J, K. J cross K equal to I. K cross I equal to J. Like that. Here also, in the left hand system, case 2. A, B, and C form a left hand system. Left hand system means we can take B cross C is equal to A vector only. In the ABC equal to A dot of B cross C. But in the left hand, we can go the left side. That is K cross J equal to minus A, minus I, like that. If A, B, C, we are going to the right side, then B cross C equal to A. When we are going to left side, B cross C is equal to minus A. Why? Because it is in the negative direction. So here it is equal to A dot of minus A is equal to minus A dot A equal to 1. That is minus 1 into modulus square or minus of mod A square. So squaring on both sides, A, B, C whole square equal to minus 1 whole square equal to 1 since mod A. Why? Because A, B, C are the unit vectors and those are mutually perpendicular. Therefore, A, B, C whole square is equal to 1 when A comma B comma C are mutually perpendicular unit vectors. So it is the solution. It is important for 7 marks question. Here, first we read out the question what they have given. A, B, C are non-zero vectors and A is perpendicular to both A and C. First, given that A comma B comma C are non-zero vectors. Here A is perpendicular to both B and C. That is nothing but A is perpendicular to B and C. From this, we can write it as A is parallel to B cross C. When the A is perpendicular to B dot C, then this is parallel to B cross C. That we have the clue. And next they have given if mod A is equal to 2, mod B equal to 3, mod C equal to 4, and the angle in between of B and C is equal to 2 pi by 3, that equal to 2 into 180 by 3, 3 ones are 360s are, it is equal to 120 degrees. Next we can find out to find modulus of volume ABC, that is equal to modulus of A dot of B cross C. The A dot of B means we know that modulus of A dot B is equal to mod A mod B cos of A comma B, and modulus of A cross B is equal to mod A mod B sin of A comma B. This we have the relation. Here A dot of B cross C means we can take it as mod A mod of B cross C to cos of A comma B cross C. Here, if A is parallel to B cross C means from this we can take A comma B cross C is equal to either 0 degrees or 180 degrees. So here cos of A comma B cross C means we can take it as modulus of A, B, C is equal to mod A mod of B cross C cos of 0 degrees or 180 degrees. That is equal to mod A. Again B cross C means mod B mod C sin of B comma C. It's a plus or minus 1. It is equal to mod A value is 2, mod B is 3, mod C is 4, sin of 120 degrees into plus or minus 1. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Sin 120 degrees means that is 180 minus 60 is 120. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. And it is plus or minus 1 modulus. 2 ones are 2 12s are. Its modulus means either plus or minus becomes a plus only. It is 12 root 3 cubic units. Therefore, modulus of volume ABC is equal to 12 root 3 cubic units. Sixteenth problem. If A comma B comma C are unit coplanar vectors, then find volume of 2A minus B, 2B minus C, 2C minus A. Here unit coplanar means we know that they have given that A, B, C are unit coplanar vectors. Coplanar means that is nothing but mod A equal to mod B equal to mod C equal to 1 for unit vectors. Coplanar means volume of ABC equal to 0 if and only if A, B, C are coplanar. What we can find out? Volume of 2A minus B, 2B minus C, 2C minus A. It is equal to determinant and volume ABC. Here 2 minus 1, 0, 0, 2 minus 1, minus 1, 0, 2. It is equal to 2 into 2 minus 2, 4 minus 0 plus 1 into 0 minus 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 2 into ABC. It is equal to 2 4s are 8 minus 1 into ABC. It's 7 into ABC. It is equal to 0 since volume of ABC is equal to 0. This is the solution. Second bit, first problem. It is for 7 marks questions. In the second bit carries 7 marks. First one, if volume BCD plus volume CAD plus volume ABD is equal to volume ABC, then show that the points with positive position vectors A, B, C and D are coplanar. Solution. Here A, B, C, D are coplanar means here we can take, let O be the origin, then the position vectors are denoted by OA equal to A vector, OB is B vector, OC is C vector, OD is D vector. We can show that the points with the position vectors are coplanar means we can prove that AB, BC or AB, AC, AD are coplanar. AB, AC, AD are coplanar. Means first we can find out AB is equal to OB minus OA equal to B minus A. AC equal to OC minus OA, that is C minus A. AD equal to OD minus OA, it's D minus A. Right here, B minus A, comma C minus A, comma D minus A, small d, is equal to 0. Write it as volume of A, B, C means we can write it as B minus A dot of C minus A cross D minus A. It is equal to 0. That implies B minus A dot cross product in between of 2 C cross D minus C cross A minus A cross D minus into minus plus A cross A is equal to 0. From this, B minus A is as it is. C cross D minus A cross D or C cross A plus 0 is nothing but the only three vectors. Why? Because A cross A is equal to 0. Here again we can take the dot product. Here B dot of C cross D minus B dot of C cross A minus B dot of A cross D minus A dot of C cross D minus A dot of minus C cross A minus A dot of minus A cross D is equal to 0. Here B dot of C cross D means this is BCD minus BCA minus BAD. Here minus ACD. Here minus into minus plus, or this can be written as A plus AAC, or minus into minus plus ACA minus into minus plus AAA is equal to 0. Here repeated are there, then those will become 0. Repeated means here AAC, AAA. The remaining all are distinct. Since ACA volume is equal to 0, AAA, here AAD, it's not A, it's D only. It's repeated means 0. So here BCD is equal to BCA plus BAD plus BCD. Here again we can check it. BAD, BCD. Here left side is BCD. It's okay. We can check it as. Here this is, we can write it as interchange of this ABD. Negative will come. This is BCA minus interchange of these two ABD, interchange of BCD. It is also BCD came. Here ACD, sorry. This is ACD. Okay. Here ACD becomes CAD. It is minus CAD. So here these two are taking to left side. BCD plus ABD plus CAD is equal to ABC. Why? Because here BCA is equal to minus BAC. Again interchange minus ABC with minus. Minus into minus plus. So this is equal to ABC. Is the solution.